Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover lost access to Roblox Authenticator app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This method works even if you no longer have access to the Authenticator app. First of all, when you're asked for the verification code, click on Use another verification method. Sometimes Roblox will give you an alternative option here. For example, if you saved your backup code, you can select that option. This is a 9-digit code that Roblox gives you when you first enable the Authenticator, and if you still have it saved somewhere, simply enter it to log in. Now, if you don't have your backup code, don't worry. We can request Roblox to remove the two-step verification for you. To do this, click on Need Help? Contact Roblox Support. Once the support page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option that says, Need more help? Contact support here. If you don't see it straight away, click No when prompted, and the option should appear. Click on that link, and the first thing you'll need to enter is the date of birth registered on your Roblox account. After that, press Continue. Now carefully fill out all the required details, including your Roblox username, your first name, and your email address. Make sure the email you enter is one that's already linked to your Roblox account. Next, scroll down to the section asking which device you're having the problem on. Click the drop-down menu and select PC. Under Category Type, choose Account Hacked or Can't Log In, and then select Lost Access to my two-step verification method. In the description box, type a clear message like this. Hi, I have lost access to my two-factor authentication app. I still have access to my phone number and email address. Please can you switch my verification method so I can regain access to my account? Once that's done, click Continue, and then complete the quick security puzzle to confirm you're not a robot. After that, a Roblox chat window will appear. Here, they'll tell you that they can't directly change your two-step verification method, but they can disable it if you request it. So what you need to do is scroll down, type Disable two-step verification, and then send the message. When asked to confirm your email address, type Yes. As long as your email is verified and linked to your account, Roblox Support will email you directly. Usually within 3 to 4 days, they'll remove the two-step verification so you can log back into your account normally. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover lost access to Roblox Authenticator app. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.